Why blend in a crowded room? Do you want to be invisible? No, you want to be noticed. You want to be remembered. That's what a brand does. It makes you stand out. Think about brands you love, Apple, Nike, maybe a local bakery. They all have something special that makes you choose them. That's their brand power. Now, you can have that power too. It's time to build your own brand. Don't be afraid to be different. Embrace what makes you unique. Let's get started. What is a brand? Is it just a logo, a catchy tagline, or a specific color scheme that you use consistently? While these elements are important, they are merely the tip of the iceberg. It's not just a logo or a color scheme. These are visual representations, but they don't capture the essence of what a brand truly is. It's much more than that. A brand encompasses the entire experience your audience has with your company, product, or service. It's the perception that lives in the minds and hearts of your customers. Your brand is your story. It's the narrative that you create and share with the world. It's the values you uphold and the mission you strive to achieve. It's what you stand for. It's the promise you make to your customers about the quality and consistency they can expect from you. It's the feeling people get when they interact with you and your work. It's the emotional connection that forms between you and your audience. Think of it like this. Your brand is a promise of quality, of a certain experience, of a connection. It's a commitment to delivering value and building trust. People buy from brands they trust. Trust is earned through consistent positive experiences and by meeting or exceeding expectations. They connect with brands that resonate with them, brands that reflect their own values, aspirations, and identity. So, what's your story? What do you want to share with the world? What message do you want to convey? What impact do you want to make? Take some time to think about it. Reflect on your values, your mission, and your vision for the future. It's the foundation of your brand. It's the bedrock upon which everything else is built. Your story is the heart of your brand. Ready to build your brand? Let's break it down into easy steps. First, identify your core values. What's important to you? Honesty, creativity, helping others. These values will guide your brand's every action. Next, define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their needs and desires? Understanding your audience is crucial for crafting the right message. Don't forget your brand's personality. Are you playful or professional, bold or understated? Your brand's personality should reflect who you are and appeal to your target audience. Imagine trying to talk to everyone in a crowded room at once. Impossible. Right? It's the same with your brand. You can't be everything to everyone. Focus on your ideal customer. Who are they? What are they like? Where do they hang out online? Once you know who you're talking to, you can tailor your message to resonate with them. It's like having a one-on-one conversation instead of shouting into the void. Find your voice. Share your story. You have a unique voice. It's a powerful tool that can set you apart in a crowded marketplace. Whether you're speaking to a large audience or just a few individuals, your voice carries your message, your passion, and your vision. Don't be afraid to use it. Embrace the power of your voice and let it resonate with those who need to hear it. Your voice can inspire, motivate, and drive change. Your brand voice is how you communicate your message. It's the tone, the style, and the personality that comes through in your words. It's what makes your brand recognizable and relatable. It should be authentic, consistent, and engaging. Authenticity builds trust, consistency ensures reliability, and engagement keeps your audience coming back for more. Are you funny and lighthearted, serious and informative? Your brand voice should reflect your personality and values. It should be a true representation of who you are and what you stand for. Your brand voice should reflect your personality and values. This alignment helps you connect with your audience on a deeper level, fostering loyalty and trust. This helps you connect with your audience on a deeper level. When your audience feels understood and valued, they are more likely to engage with your brand and become loyal advocates. Remember, your brand message is what you want to communicate to the world. It's the core of your brand's identity and the foundation of your marketing efforts. Keep it clear, concise, and impactful. A strong brand message cuts through the noise and captures the attention of your audience. What value do you offer? What makes you different? These are the questions your brand message should answer. By clearly articulating your unique value proposition, you can differentiate yourself from the competition and attract the right audience. Same you everywhere. Imagine meeting someone online who seems friendly and approachable, but then you see them in person and they're completely different, confusing, right? Your brand should be consistent across all platforms. Your website, social media, emails should all have the same look and feel. This builds trust and recognition. Think of it like this, as your brand is a familiar face in a crowded marketplace. Consistency helps people recognize and remember you. Social media, your megaphone. Social media is a powerful tool for building your brand. It helps you connect with your audience, share your story, and build a community. Choose platforms where your target audience hangs out. Are they on Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn? Don't spread yourself too thin. Focus on a few platforms and do them well. Share valuable content that resonates with your audience. This could be blog posts, videos, images, or even just engaging conversations. Talk with them, not at them. Social media isn't just about broadcasting your message. It's about building relationships. Engage with your followers, respond to comments and ask questions. Show genuine interest in your audience. What are their thoughts? What are their pain points? Listening is just as important as talking, if not more so. Building a community takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. A loyal and engaged audience is invaluable for any brand. Start building your brand today. Building a brand is not just about having a logo or a catchy tagline. It's about creating a lasting impression and a unique identity that resonates with your audience. It's about telling your story in a way that connects with people on a deeper level. What are you waiting for? The perfect time to start is now. Every moment you delay is a missed opportunity to make your mark. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that step is taken today. Building a brand takes time and effort, but it's an investment worth making. It's about putting in the hours, brainstorming ideas, and working tirelessly to bring your vision to life. It's about the late nights and early mornings, the challenges and the triumphs. It's about showcasing your unique value to the world. Your brand is a reflection of who you are and what you stand for. It's about presenting your products, services, and ideas in a way that highlights your strengths and sets you apart from the competition. Start small, stay consistent, and always be yourself. Consistency is key in building a brand. It's about showing up every day, staying true to your values, and be authentic in your interactions. It's the small, consistent actions that build trust and loyalty over time. Your brand is your story. It's the narrative that you create and share with the world. It's about being open, honest, and transparent about your journey, your struggles, and your successes. It's about connecting with your audience on a personal level. Make it a story worth telling. Your story should inspire, motivate, and engage your audience. It should be a story that people want to hear and share. It's about creating a legacy that will be remembered for years to come. Believe in yourself and your vision. Confidence is crucial in building a brand. You need to believe in your ideas, your abilities, and your potential. It's about having the courage to take risks and the resilience to overcome setbacks. The world is waiting to hear your voice. Your voice is unique and it deserves to be heard. It's about sharing your message with the world and making a positive impact. It's about being bold, being brave, and being unapologetically you, ready to take the next step. The journey of building a brand is ongoing, and there's always a next step to take. It's about continuously growing, learning, and evolving. It's about taking action and moving forward one step at a time. Subscribe to Online with Teresa for more branding tips and tricks. Stay updated with the latest strategies, insights, and advice on building a successful brand. Join our community and be part of a network of like-minded individuals who are passionate about branding. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Your feedback, questions, and ideas are valuable to us. Let's engage in meaningful conversations and learn from each other. Let's build something amazing together. Collaboration is key to success. Let's work together, support each other, and create something truly remarkable. Together we can achieve great things and make a lasting impact.